In this video, I'm going to show you how to find keywords using Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Helium 10 account, and then you want to hover over Products up top, hover over Find Keywords to drive traffic, and then you want to hover over Discover Relevant Keywords and click on the magnet over here. Now, inside Magnet, you can then go ahead and find different keywords using Helium 10. So here, first, you have to just enter in a keyword. Of course, before that, make sure you select your correct marketplace and then enter in the keyword. So we're going to just do boots, for example, and then you can click Get Keywords. And it's going to basically start fetching data, and then within just a few seconds, you'll be able to see a long list of keywords along with a bunch of filters and some things you can actually use to be able to find some good keywords. Now, of course, this is going to just find suggestions, and then you can go ahead, take your favorite keywords and analyze them in this bit over here, which basically allows you to enter up to 200 keywords and receive metrics, okay? So when you're doing this for the first time, it's actually going to take a few seconds. There we go. And now it's loaded in. So up here, you have the filters I was talking about earlier. You can set these if you want to actually narrow down your search. Here, you can see the keyword search summary, the keyword distribution, the Amazon search volume, as well as the word frequency. And then here you have, for me, about 15,300 different filtered keywords and their keyword phrases, their sales, magnet scores, search volume, etc. You can go to the right with this slider to see even more info. And then here you have some blurred information which you can access whenever you connect Amazon account to your Helium 10, which currently I haven't done. So that's pretty much how to find keywords. You can just go ahead and filter through these, look at them, and then find the keywords this way. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.